Hey little yogis, today we have to do these gentle yoga poses. So be ready and take a mat and let's begin.
Then pull me close. I read your silence.
Curled up like a tiny sleeping mouse. Rest your head down and stretch out your arms. If you are having fun stretching with us today, hit that like button.
I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late.
Lie on your back, grab your feet, and rock gently from side to side like a happy baby. Feel your tummy move up and down as you take a big, happy breath in and out.
Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin. If you ride for me,
sit up tall, reach your hands all the way to your toes, and feel a gentle stretch in your legs. Be sure to like the video and keep stretching along with us.
When the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is.
Bring the solace of your feet together and gently flap your knees just like a colorful butterfly. Fly higher and higher as you sit up tall and smile.
You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late trying to reach your mind. I can't reach your mind, but your love goes that change over
Lie flat on your back and lift both legs straight up towards the sky like tall, strong pillars. Hold them steady and let your body feel completely relaxed and light.
Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on the spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway
Lie down
in?
flat on your back. Rest your arms and legs comfortably, and close your eyes. Thank you for practicing yoga with us today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun.
Don't play me like a song on the spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in?